This video is probably going to irritate some of my traditional viewers, but hear me out, guys. Enya did not make this carbon fiber acoustic guitar as a competitor to Taylor or Martin or whichever good old brand. This guitar is meant to be a new breed of acoustic guitar. So today I'm going to dive deep into this futuristic instrument, show you sound samples in a mix and by itself, and show you some very cool built-in electronics, and talk about why you just might really want a carbon fiber acoustic in your arsenal. Hey guys, it occurs to me as I sat down to start editing this video, if you want to hear a side-by-side comparison between the X4 and a really top-end Taylor acoustic, I've got one here and I'll do a video like that, so just let me know in the comments. I'm willing to bet the first thing you're wondering is why the sound hole's all the way up here, and maybe then you're wondering, what can a carbon fiber acoustic even sound like? And I've got a lot to say about this, but first I think we should take a listen to this in a mixed context. So I'm going to show you the first minute of a song from my upcoming album, and you're going to hear just how freaking beautiful this thing sounds.
Velvet lightning crowned the moment in my veins. Your figure framed in white, the sunbound loaded glow. Every doorway opened, never closed again. Every vow was written in the hush we chose. Forever began in the breath we shared. The stars aligned to shine upon us. Eternity opened unspoken, declared when time stood still between us.
Pretty darn good, I think. Now, I got that sound by recording the guitar doubled left and right, and I had that clip-on mic you saw mixed with a direct signal from the 1/4 inch out of the guitar, and I also had a direct-only third track, which was just for the hammer-on bits, and I had that pan directly in the center. In a little bit, I'm going to put a nice room mic in front of this and show you some standalone sounds, and also I'll plug it in and show you the direct sounds, but first I want to get into the specs. All right, this is a player's review, so I'm not going to get super technical here. I'm just going to pull up the sheets and give you some highlights. We already know that the top is made of carbon fiber. The neck is as well, but it's also aluminum reinforced so that it won't bend over time. Also, they have an elevated neck design which releases pressure on the top created by the fretboard from the 14th fret and up, and it makes the vibration of the top really well enhanced. One thing you should know is that it comes in a 41 plus size and the 36 mini. On the second sheet here are some of the real nitty-gritty specs. I'll let you look at that while the music plays, but I'll just mention first that you'll get about 15 hours worth of battery life out of it if you're using it directly plugged in on stage, or like 8 hours if you're using the effects out of it. They call it the Acoustic Plus as well. And then finally, speaking of those effects, if you look at the control panel here, you've got the tuner and the volume and the master volume for it, and then the reverb, and whether it's either chorus or delay effects that you're using. And then you see there's a little USB plug-in where you charge it. So that's all the deets. Let's talk about the benefits of having one of your guitars be made of carbon fiber. It's pretty straightforward. With a carbon fiber body and top, it never warps or cracks, and it stays consistent across different temperatures and humidities. So you can take this thing out to a barbecue when it's 95 and humid as heck, or sit on the front porch of your ski lodge in freezing temperature, and you won't need to call a guitar doc to bring it back from the dead. Also, what kind of life are you leading with all these cookouts and skiing trips? You go. Anyway, speaking of playing it outside around your friends, this is a good time to talk about how this is more than just an acoustic guitar. This thing has built-in effects. Let me grab a wannabe Neumann mic and show you. So it's got built-in reverb and delay that you can dial in to taste like I did there, and it amplifies out of the guitar. And so when you're just hanging out and playing around people, you can get those lush, like, studio tones that you love with that really nice reverb on it. And I find that this guitar has a really sparkly, high-end, and deep, almost sub-lows. It's also quite a bit louder than any other acoustic I own, and I've got the Mega Taylor Dreadnought to compare it to. Here's how this guitar sounds by itself in a room. That was just it, raw, right into the mic, no verb or anything, just the sound in the room. And again, as you saw before with the effects and everything, you can really make it sound quite cool. I know for my giant live audience here, they get really excited. Also, don't forget you can plug it in directly with a regular guitar cable, which will pick up from the piezo pickup on it. And that sounds beautiful when you blend it with a mic'd sound. Another nice little thing is you've got a tuner built in here, so you don't have to have one of those gangly things strapped to the end of the guitar. You've always got a tuner with you on board. And as far as how it plays, this neck is really comfortable. I like this kind of, it's got almost a frosted kind of feel to it. It doesn't take a lot of like pressure like a lot of acoustics do to hold it down and play it. It's a very comfortable instrument. Access to the higher frets is really nice too, which I don't have in a lot of acoustic instruments that I own. And the build quality, just top to bottom, is really superlative. They call this X4 Pro. It is a pro instrument. And for what I think is a really reasonable price, and for something that you can take out if you're a giggy musician, you can take on the road, and like with their carbon fiber electric guitars, this thing can handle the weather and handle the storm, and you know you're going to have something that's going to stay true and not need a ton of work and adjustment. The last thing I want to show you is this beautiful case that came with it. It has that same look as the carbon fiber body. It's consistent. It's really nicely done. A very durable and sturdy case. So guys, as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I get back to everybody as soon as I can. And of course, in the description, I've got links to purchase this. The guys at Enya were nice enough to send it to me. And as with any one of my reviews, if I don't like something, I send it back and I never do the review. It's happened a few times now, but this one was a no-brainer. This is a gorgeous instrument. If you do get one, you're gonna love it.